2015년 2월 13일 오후 8시 33분.
Unit 2.
The first man into space. Reading focus.
What is an
What is an
astronaut?
astronaut?
What do
What do astronauts do?
Who
Who was the first person in space?
Before you read.
Keywords.
Space.
Space.
Moon.
Moon.
Sun.
Star.
Star. Astronaut. Spacesuit.
Spacesuit.
Space tourist.
Space tourist.
Rocket.
Space station.
Space shuttle.
Space shuttle. Power verbs.
Travel into. Astronauts
travel into space.
Explore.
Astronauts explore the moon.
Go into.
A
A
rocket goes into space.
Lift off.
A
A
space shuttle lifts off.
Protect.
Spacesuits protect astronauts. Travel around.
He
He
traveled
traveled
around Earth.
around Earth. Word families.
The first
into space.
Yuri
Yuri
Gagarin.
Gagarin.
Neil Armstrong.
Neil Armstrong.
The first man
The first man
into
into space.
Do you like
Do you like
traveling to new places?
places?
Where would you
Where
like
would
to
you
go?
like to go?
How about
How
traveling,
about traveling
into space?
Some people travel into space.
They are
They are
astronauts.
astronauts.
Astronauts
Explore space
and learn about it. Who was
Who was the first human in space? It was Yuri Gagarin,
a Russian astronaut.
He
He went
went
into
into
space
space for the first time
in
in
1961.
1961.
This
This is the Kennedy Space Center.
It is
It is in Florida, in the USA.
Many
Many
astronauts
astronauts go into space from the Kennedy Space Center.
Space shuttles
Space
lift
shuttles
off from the
lift
center.
off from the center.
Astronauts wear
Astronauts wear
spacesuits.
spacesuits.
Their
Their
spacesuits
spacesuits
protect them in space.
in
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 1969,
1969,
American
American
astronauts
astronauts
went to the moon for the first time. Neil
Neil
Armstrong
Armstrong
was the first person to walk on the moon.
Sally
Sally Ride
was the
was
first
the
American
space.
woman in space.
Mae
Mae
Jemison
was the first African American woman in space.
Dennis
Dennis
Tito was the first space tourist. He traveled around Earth in 2001. The first man into space. Do you like traveling to new places?
Do you like traveling to new places?
Where would you like to go?
Where would you like to go?
How about traveling into space?
How about traveling to space?
Some people travel into space.
Some people travel into space.
They are astronauts.
They are astronauts.
Astronauts explore space and learn about it.
Astronauts explore space and learn about it.
Who was the first human in space?
Who was the first human in space?
It was Yuri Gagarin, a Russian astronaut.
It was Yuri Gagarin, a Russian astronaut.
He went into space for the first time in 1961.
He went into space for the first time in
This is
1961.
the Kennedy Space Center.
This is the Kennedy Space Center.
It is in Florida in the USA.
It is in Florida in the USA.
Many astronauts go into space from the Kennedy Space Center.
Many astronauts go into space from the Kennedy Space Center.
Space shuttles lift off from the center.
Space shuttles lift off from the center.
Astronauts wear spacesuits.
Astronauts wear spacesuits.
Their spacesuits protect them in space.
Their spacesuits protect them in space.
In 1969, American astronauts went to the moon for the first time.
In 1969, American astronauts went to the moon for the
Neil
first time.
Armstrong was the first person to walk on the moon.
Neil Armstrong was the first person to walk on the moon.
Sally Ride was the first American woman in space.
Sally Ride was the first American woman in
Mae
space.
Jemison was the first African American woman in space.
Mae Jemison was the first African American woman in space.
Dennis Tito was the first space tourist.
Dennis Tito was the first space tourist.
He traveled around Earth in 2001.
He traveled around Earth in 2001.
Unit 3. Storms.
Storms.
Reading focus.
Reading focus.
What is a storm?
What is a storm?
What is a blizzard?
What is a blizzard?
How can
How
storms
can
hurt
storms
people?
hurt people?
Before you read.
Before you read.
Key words.
Keywords.
Storms.
Storms.
Thunderstorm.
Thunderstorm.
Rainstorm.
Rainstorm.
Snowstorm.
Snowstorm.
Thunder.
Thunder.
Flood.
Flood.
Blizzard.
Blizzard.
Lightning.
Lightning.
Strong wind.
Strong wind.
Power verbs.
Power verbs.
Strike.
Strike.
Lightning can
Lightning
strike
can
trees.
strike trees.
Make a sound.
Make a sound.
Thunder makes a
Thunder
loud
makes a
sound.
loud sound.
Bring.
Bring.
Storms can
Storms
bring
can bring
heavy
heavy rain.
Cause.
Cause.
Storms
Storms
can cause floods.
floods.
Overflow.
Overflow.
Some rivers,
Some rivers
overflow.
overflow.
Fall.
Fall.
Snow falls,
Snow
in
falls
the
in
winter.
the winter.
Word families.
Word families.
Dark.
Dark.
Dark clouds.
Dark clouds.
Loud.
Loud.
Loud sounds.
Loud sounds.
Strong.
Strong.
Strong wind.
Strong wind.
Heavy.
Heavy.
Heavy rain.
Heavy rain.
Harmful.
Harmful.
Storms can be
Storms can
harmful.
be harmful.
Storms.
Storms.
Look up at the sky.
Look up at the sky.
The clouds
The
are
clouds
big
are
and
big
dark.
and dark.
A storm
A
is coming.
storm is coming.
Flash.
Flash.
Lightning
Lightning
strikes across the sky.
sky.
Boom.
Boom.
Thunder
Thunder
makes a loud
loud
sound.
sound.
It is a
It is a
thunderstorm.
thunderstorm.
Sometimes we have storms.
storms.
Storms can be
Storms can be
harmful.
harmful.
Storms can
Storms
bring
can
strong
bring strong
winds.
winds.
Storms can bring
The
heavy
storms
rain
can bring
or
heavy
snow.
rain or snow.
A thunderstorm has
Thunderstorm
thunder,
has thunder,
lightning, and heavy
and
rain.
heavy rain.
Sometimes,
Sometimes
lightning strikes
lightning
trees
strikes
and
trees
tall
and
buildings.
tall buildings.
Sometimes heavy
Sometimes
rain
heavy
causes
rain
floods.
causes floods.
Rivers and streams overflow.
Rivers and streams overflow.
Some land
Some
is
land is
covered
covered
with water.
with water.
When it is
When
cold,
it is cold,
a lot of
a
snow,
lot of
may,
snow
fall.
may fall.
A big
A big
snowstorm
snowstorm
is called
the
a blizzard.
blizzard.
A
A
blizzard,
blizzard
has
has
strong winds.
strong winds.
In a blizzard,
In a blizzard,
snow
snow
falls
falls
so
so
heavily
heavily
that people,
that people
can only see
only
white.
see white.
Storms.
Storms.
Look up at the sky.
Look up at the sky.
The clouds are big and dark.
The clouds are big and dark.
A storm is coming.
A storm is coming.
Flash. Lightning strikes across the sky.
Flash, lightning strikes across the sky.
Boom. Thunder makes a loud sound.
Boom, thunder makes a loud sound.
It is a thunderstorm.
It is a thunderstorm.
Sometimes we have storms.
Sometimes we have storms.
Storms can be harmful.
Storms can be harmful.
Storms can bring strong winds.
Storms can bring strong winds.
Storms can bring heavy rain or snow.
Storms can bring heavy rain or snow.
A thunderstorm has thunder, lightning, and heavy rain.
A thunderstorm has thunder, lightning, and heavy rain.
Sometimes lightning strikes trees and tall buildings.
Sometimes lightning strikes trees and tall buildings.
Sometimes heavy rain causes floods.
Sometimes heavy rain causes floods.
Rivers and streams overflow.
Rivers and streams overflow.
Some land is covered with water.
Some land is covered with water.
When it is cold, a lot of snow may fall.
When it is cold, a lot of snow may fall.
A big snowstorm is called a blizzard.
A big snowstorm is called a blizzard.
A blizzard has strong winds.
A blizzard has strong winds.
In a blizzard, snow falls so heavily that people can only see white.
In a blizzard, snow falls so heavily that people can only see white.
Unit 4. Tornadoes and
Tornadoes and
hurricanes.
hurricanes.
Reading focus.
Reading focus.
What is a tornado?
What is a tornado?
What is a hurricane?
What is a hurricane?
How are these
How
storms
are these storms
dangerous?
dangerous?
Before you read.
Before you read.
Keywords.
Keywords.
Tornado.
Tornado.
Funnel-shaped
Funnel
cloud.
shaped cloud.
Twister.
Twister.
Tornado warning.
Tornado warning.
Tornado alarm.
Tornado alarm.
Tornado shelter.
Tornado shelter.
Hurricane.
Hurricane.
The eye.
The eye.
Power verbs.
Power verbs.
Rush.
Rush.
People rush
People
to
rush
shelter.
to shelter.
Spin.
Spin.
A tornado,
A tornado spins
like a top.
like a top.
Lift.
Lift.
A tornado,
A tornado
can lift many things.
things.
Blow away.
Blow away.
A tornado,
A tornado can blow away a house.
Destroy.
Destroy.
The hurricane
The hurricane destroyed the city.
Form.
Form.
A hurricane,
A hurricane
forms
forms on the ocean.
Word families.
Word families.
Strange.
Strange.
The sky,
The sky
looks strange.
looks strange.
Dangerous.
Dangerous.
A
A
hurricane,
hurricane
can be dangerous. Funnel shape.
Funnel shaped.
A tornado,
A tornado has a funnel shaped cloud.
Tornadoes,
Tornadoes
and
and
hurricanes.
hurricanes.
The sky
The sky
begins to look
begins to
strange.
look strange.
The clouds
The
are
clouds
low
are
and
low
purple.
and purple.
The wind
The
begins
wind
to
begins
blow
to
hard.
blow hard.
Suddenly,
Suddenly,
a loud alarm sounds.
sounds.
People rush to
People
shelter.
rush to shelter.
A tornado
A
is
tornado
coming.
is coming.
Big
Big
thunderstorms
thunderstorm
can make a
can make
tornado.
a tornado.
It has
It
a
has a
funnel-shaped
funnel-shaped
cloud
cloud
with strong
with strong winds.
This
This
funnel-shaped
funnel-shaped cloud
spins like a
spins like a
top.
top.
Tornado
Tornado
winds blow
winds
very
blow very
fast.
fast.
A tornado,
A tornado
can be very dangerous. A tornado,
A tornado can lift many things.
It can even
It can
lift
even
trucks
lift trucks
and blow them
blow
away.
them away.
It can
It
destroy,
can destroy
buildings and kill people.
people.
A huge
A huge
rainstorm is
rainstorm
called a
is called
hurricane.
a hurricane.
A
A
hurricane has
hurricane
very
has
strong
very
winds.
strong winds.
It forms,
It
on the
forms
ocean.
on the ocean.
But hurricanes,
But hurricanes
often move
often
onto
move
land.
onto land.
Heavy rain
Heavy
falls
rain
during a
causes
hurricane.
Falls during
The
a
center
hurricane.
of a hurricane
The
is
center of
called
a
the eye.
hurricane is called the eye.
Tornadoes
Tornadoes and
hurricanes.
hurricanes.
The sky begins to look strange.
The sky begins to look strange.
The clouds are low and purple.
The clouds are low and purple.
The wind begins to blow hard.
The wind begins to blow hard.
Suddenly, a loud alarm sounds.
Suddenly, a loud alarm sounds.
People rush to shelter.
People rush to shelter.
A tornado is coming.
A tornado is coming.
Big thunderstorms can make a tornado.
Big thunderstorms can make a tornado.
It has a funnel-shaped cloud with strong winds.
It has funnel-shaped cloud with strong winds.
This funnel-shaped cloud spins like a top.
This funnel-shaped cloud spins like a top.
Tornado winds blow very fast.
Tornado winds blow very fast.
A tornado can be very dangerous.
Tornado can be very dangerous.
A tornado can lift many
A
things.
tornado can lift many things.
It can even lift trucks and blow them away.
It can even lift trucks and blow them away.
It can destroy buildings and kill people.
It can destroy buildings and kill people.
A huge rainstorm is called a hurricane.
A huge rainstorm is called a hurricane.
A hurricane has very strong winds.
A hurricane has very strong winds.
It forms on the ocean.
It forms on the ocean.
But hurricanes often move onto land.
But hurricanes often move onto land.
Heavy rain falls during a hurricane.
Heavy rain causes falls during a hurricane.
The center of a hurricane is called the eye.
The center of a hurricane is called the eye.
Chapter 2. Science.
Science.
Unit 5.
Unit 5.
How do plants
How do
grow?
plants grow?
Reading focus.
Reading focus.
What are seeds?
What are seeds?
What do
What do
seeds
seeds
need
need
to
to
grow?
grow?
How do
How do
plants
plants
grow
grow
and
and
change?
change?
Before you read.
Before you read.
Keywords.
Keywords.
Seed.
Seed.
Sunflower.
Sunflower.
Pea.
Pea.
Bean.
Bean.
Bell pepper.
Bell pepper.
Strawberry.
Strawberry.
How plants grow.
How plants grow.
Seeds.
Seeds.
Roots.
Roots.
Stems.
Stems.
Leaves and
Leaves
flowers.
and flowers.
Fruits.
Fruit.
Power verbs.
Power verbs.
Plant.
Plant.
Let's
Let's
plant
plant
seeds.
seeds.
Dig.
Dig.
He
He
digs
digs
a
a
hole.
hole.
Put.
Put.
He puts
It
the
puts the
seeds in
seeds
the
in the
hole.
hole.
Cover.
Cover.
He covers,
He
the,
covers
hole
the hole
with soil.
with soil.
Water.
Water.
He waters,
He waters
the
the
seeds.
seeds.
Become.
Become.
The seeds
The
become,
seeds
new,
become
plants.
new plants.
Word families.
Word families.
What seeds need,
What seeds
to, grow.
need to grow?
Sunlight.
Sunlight.
Water.
Water.
Soil.
Soil.
Food.
Food.
How do
How
plants
do
grow?
plants grow?
Most plants grow
Most
from
plants
seeds.
grow from seeds.
What are the seeds,
What are the seeds in these
pictures?
pictures?
Sunflower.
Sunflower.
Peas.
Peas.
Bell pepper.
Bell pepper.
Strawberry.
Strawberry.
Seeds look
Seeds
different,
look different,
but they grow,
but they
into,
grow
new,
into
plants.
new plants.
Johnny has
Johnny
some
has
bean
some
seeds.
bean seeds.
He is going
He's
to
going to
plant them
plant
in
them
his
in
garden.
his garden.
First,
First,
he
he
digs holes in the
in the
ground.
ground.
He puts
He
the
puts the
seeds
seeds
in the
in the
holes.
holes.
Then
Then
he covers the
covers the
holes with
holes
soil.